Today, we're tackling a common issue that many Windows 10 users face: slow internet speeds. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or gaming, a sluggish connection can be frustrating. But fear not, because today I'll show you some effective methods to speed up your internet on Windows 10. The first step is to determine your current internet speed. Head over to any speed testing website like speedtest.net and run a quick test. Outdated or corrupted network drivers can significantly slow down your internet connection. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your network adapter. Choose Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. Another thing that may slow down your internet connection is background applications. We need to turn them off. For that, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar and selecting the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and close any unnecessary apps that might be using network resources. Windows 10 comes with several settings that can impact your internet speed. Go to Settings, Update and Security. Here you can check if it is possible to update your Windows system. This can also increase the speed of your internet connection. If the update is available, then click Download and wait until the process completes. Next step is to disable a feature called TCP auto-tuning, which sometimes can hinder performance on Windows 10. To disable it, search for Command Prompt in the search box and open it. Type the next command. Press Enter and restart your computer to apply the changes. And the last thing, a simple but effective step, is to restart your router. Unplug it from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can clear out any temporary issues and improve your connection speed. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.